Georgian revolutionary, politician, and former communist leader of the Soviet Union, Joseph Stalin said, "A single death is a tragedy, a million deaths is a statistic," meaning a death has always been mourned when it happens in a particular case, because we always mourn the deaths of our loved ones, our close friends, and other people that we are actually familiar with and close to in our real life. But when hundreds of thousands of people die as results or consequences of natural disasters, calamities such as floods, weather changes, rains, earthquakes, tsunamis, and so forth, or when thousands of people also die as a consequence of man made conflicts and wars, then we do not necessarily mourn, but we rather try to justify the war, and we say that this war actually is right and it is being fought for righteous and moral causes of one party against another party. So we try to justify and make reasonable the war of one country against another country because we look at the facts, reasons, and histories, and then we justify it. We do not consider the millions of deaths or the people that are being killed unnecessarily because of the war, but we justify it, and that means we are driven by ignorance, arrogance, and by knowledge and heavy dependence on reason and theories, and not necessarily by emotion, feeling, or sentiment for all the people that are involved in a war, or all the people that are in genuine tragedies, but we selfishly mourn only the deaths of our loved ones or a singular person that is influential in a country, but we avoid the majority people that are poor and have no influence in society because they do not matter to us, because they are not providers of wealth, happiness, or objective prosperity, and that's why we ignore those people, and we also overlook the genuine tragedies of war and natural disasters and the people that die in these things because we are selfish. We are driven by theoretical knowledge and facts and figures, and that's why a million people's deaths ultimately becomes a statistic for politicians as well as for people, and a single death is a tragedy for all of us, no matter what the person